chicken wings, neck, thighs, feet. Use whatever you got in the fridge, baby. Some water, carrot, celery, onion, bay leaf, peppercorns, thyme. Throw it all in a pot. You're going to bring it up to a boil and then back down to a simmer for about 3 to 4 hours until that chicken is falling off the bone, baby. Y'all know how we like it. And then after that, you're going to strain all that nasty stuff off there. We don't like it. Get all that out of there. You don't need that. After that, strain the stock into a bowl or into a container. Now, that looks good. That right there, that's how it should look. After that, you bring the temp down a little bit, place it in the fridge, and you are all ready to go. Yummy in your tummy. Make sure you like and subscribe now.